Welcome! In this video, I'll show you how to deposit cash using an Rajhi ATM machine. First, insert your ATM card. On the first screen, if you want to continue in Arabic, simply enter your PIN. If you prefer English or another language, tap the other language option located at the bottom left side of the screen. Next, enter your PIN code. After that, you will see several options on both sides of the screen. Select the deposit option. On most Rajhi ATM machines, the deposit option is usually located at the bottom left side. Once you select deposit, the hidden cash slot will automatically open. Place your banknotes neatly and straight inside the slot. Arrange the notes properly, preferably grouping them by denomination such as 50, 100, 200 and 500 Saudi Riyal notes. Please note that notes below 50 Riyals are generally not accepted. After placing the cash inside, remove your hand from the slot. The cash slot will automatically close and the machine will begin counting the money. In a few moments, the screen will display the total amount detected. If any note is damaged or unreadable, the machine may return it to you. Simply remove the rejected note and continue with the transaction. Once the amount shown on the screen is correct, press continue. After a short processing time, your money will be successfully deposited and your updated account balance will be displayed. The machine will then ask if you would like to perform another transaction. If not, select no. Your card will be ejected automatically and your cash deposit process is complete. And that's it. Depositing cash through an Rajhi ATM is quick, easy and